the emergency? Are you all right?
I'm fine, but Deke's insane. He thinks he can make it as a poor person.
You never know, I did.
Deke is nothing like you. You are resilient and smart and creative and driven. No one could do what you did. You're amazing.
That's the nicest thing you've ever said to me.
I care about Deke more than I have ever cared about anyone, so I have to give him back. I just called his mother.
At 2 a.m. and she picked up the phone?
And she said they'd take Deke back, but he has to come to them.
That's great.
You and I are pushing him home. In the dumpster.
Pushing it to the Upper East Side?
Yes. He's totally knocked out on Earl's weed. He will not feel a thing. Come on, help me push right now before I realize what I'm losing and change my mind. Go. You take that side, I'll take this, and we won't stop till we're there, or one of us falls off the Brooklyn Bridge.
We can never get it there, Max.
Then we'll get it as far as we can, and then at least when Deke wakes up, he won't be stuck here with me in the morning, and he can have a life.
I was wrong earlier. This is the most romantic thing I've ever seen.